Good evening, everyone. I would like to invite today's speaker who is going to give wonderful speech. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together inviting Miss Sushma. Please come on the stage. Start your speech. Make sure that give a remarkable speech now. Please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sushma. Once a British man asked to Swami Vivekanand, why you do not wear a good cloth and look like a gentleman. So Swami Vivekanand replied, with a smile on the face, in your culture, tailor makes a gentleman, but in our culture, a character makes a gentleman. So I stand here to talk about the aims and objectives about the education. Millions of parents wake their children up in the morning to send them a school or a colleges, hoping to see them as a doctor, engineer, advocate, IAS officer, etc. Put a lot of pressures on their children and during the course of education. Student tends to forget the real purpose of the education. However, students are managed to fulfill their parents' expectations and dreams to become a doctor, IAS officer, chartered accountant, etc. But it is not the real purpose of the education. In today's generation, education become as a commercial. It as goes on the hands of the money. People, they can think, general people can impressed by the infrastructure ambience. But such people don't know infrastructure, building, these are not makes a institution. Teachers makes the institution. Here I take an opportunity to remind that Mother Teresa. She did not have any infrastructure. She did not have any classroom. She did not have even blackboard also. But she have one tool, that is the love for children. So, educated is not the person who have a list of the degrees, but he uses the ambitious languages towards the people. Educated is not the person who have a luxurious life, but blind eyes towards his neighbors. Educated is not the person who graduates from the reputed universities, but hand over his parents for the old age homes. Educated is the person who may give up his job and towards turns into his parents. Educated is the person who have towards his wife or a husband. Educated is the person who have a love towards his children, simultaneously concerned about the neighbors. Educated is the person who never lies to the people. Educated is the person who exhibits patience. Educated is the person who have a forgiven people despite they are guilty and wrong. Is there any schools which teaches about the manners? Is there any universities which narrates the values? Is there any colleges which is teaches about the lessons of dishonesty and integrity? There is no. But for this generation, does not need any school which produces a doctor, chartered accountant, IAS officer, but failed as inculcated manners and narrates the values. I do not say only parents have a responsibility towards their children, but simultaneously there is a responsibility to teachers, but prime responsibility have a parents. That is why somebody rightly said that child educated only at a school is not an uneducated child. I repeated that if a child educated only at a school is not an uneducated child. So thank you.
Thank you.